guys, kinakabahan na ako. Para akong makatai ba. Papunta na po kami ngayon sa dating bahay kay magkuha ng package. Tapos parang ako pa ang kukuha. Do you know why I'm very silent, mahal? For a while now. I'm getting nervous of getting the package. Because I think it's me who is getting the package, not my husband.
No, I'm sure it's you.
Hello, you said that we're getting it together.
Yeah, I'm driving you there and you are getting it from the door. Together. I'm not making you take the bus or the bike. I'm driving you there.
You were super sweet, Baya, when you said that to me because Sihart was there, ba? You're super sweet. I thought you will get it for me. But no, it's me.
I already did that. It's your turn now.
Hindi ko talaga maintindihan. Bakit last po? You know, he's waiting until I'm vlogging ba? And then he will call my name. Mama. Bakit? Anong gusto mong pag-usapan? Hindi ko po yan in-expect. Kaya nung last month nga, nag-order din ako sa Zara. Doon naman niya pinadala sa amin. Gusto mong maglakad? Wait lang ha. Magpunta muna tayo sa sa dating bahay natin. Maybe Nathan can get it. Mahal. Hello. Nathan, turuan ka naman, sabi mo, hello. Happy at the packet siya. Sekma. Sabihin mo doon ha.
Then they're giving him a box that's bigger than him.
Last na yan na mangyari ito. I-check ko na po talaga palagi ang kung saan nila ipadala. Punta na po muna tayo dito sa pinag-groceryhan po natin dati guys. Yung nilalakad lang nga po natin. Kung maalala nyo pa no, matagal na kayong nanonood sa akin. Kasi mamili kami ng sabon, conditioner ko. Wala na po akong conditioner. Tsaka panghugas ng puday. You remember this, everyone? Dyan po tayo palagi. Halos araw-araw. Maglakad po kami dito ni Nathan. Tapos magpakain ng pato doon banda. Dito po yun. Naalala mo to, Nathan? Dito tayo nakatira noon. Yeah. Anong Opo, very good. Wow, kaganda naman. Tapos may palaruan sila dyan para kay Nathan. Wow, you see that, everyone? Kaming Kaburan. Dito tayo mamili ng mga shampoo, mga sabon. Bili na din pala ako ng sabon ko. Wala na akong body wash.
You're telling them about the old videos that they can watch of us walking here?
Yeah. If you have time, guys, maybe you can watch the old videos that were always here. Diyan ka, upo ka dyan, dali. Maglaro ka. Dali na, dali.
Why are you saying that?
Why? I swear, Nathan. Wow.
Yeah, another road.
Wow. That is Moy Palaboy.
Okay.
Clar? Dahil nabe ka na dakraut bat? Nadakraut bat kaya magbitay ng shampoo. Shampoo ni Nathan. Dali na. Oh. Patuti.
No, come in.
Dali na. Sek marduy. Duy. Yes, massage oil. You are right. They don't have. What is this then? That's massage oil.
What is what massage?
Eye wash gel. 2+2. Oh. Not bad, mahal. 2+2 guys. Bili tayo. Ito, maganda to. Tsaka itong hydrating care. Meron ding anti-stress. May nahanap ka? Saan ang gusto mo? Ay, wag yan. Pang man yan? Pang 1 year old.
Welke? Eentje van deze mag je kiezen.
Deze? Maar ik wil deze.
Deze?
Deze is mooier.
Deze?
Unicorn man.
Wil je unicorn? Wat is dat voor unicorn?
Unicorn man di ay.
Unicorn.
Na ano na tayo sa unicorn guys. Wow, unicorn. Kaganda naman. May dahlian sa loob.
In de auto krijg je hem, oké?
Kana tayo ngayon sa dating bahay, guys. Huwag ko lang sana talaga makita yung best friend ko doon ba. Yan din ang isa bakit ayaw kong pumunta doon. Kaya ang best friend ko baka makita natin. Hey, basa yan. Halika na. Dali na. Kaya ang unicorn mo. Tulong, guys. Makatain na. Papunta na talaga tayo. Sure na ito. I wish and hope and pray that my
They are not there.
no, that my husband will get it because he loves me so much. Do you know how my husband loves me so much, guys? You will see how he loves me so. We will see now, huh? This is the right time to know if my husband really loves me because
Yeah, or if your husband is a man of his word. Because I told you last time, I will not get it again. You need to delete all the addresses that are old. You said, yes, Mahal, I deleted all the old addresses.
so you don't love me that much, Mahal, because you're not doing it for me. And I'm super afraid there because I will be
Why are you afraid there?
because I will be seeing my best friend, man. Good.
No, you won't.
Grabe na talaga. I'm super nervous, Mahal. I think I will get high blood pressure.
Oh, that's fine. You always have high blood pressure.
Feeling ko nagataas ang dugo ko ba? Mahal, don't do this
They're
to
not
me.
there anyway.
They're not there? You think so?
No. You don't want it? Then let's not get it.
No, because it's for your son, man. Good, Mahal. It's not for me, baya. Wala akong damit nun kahit isa, guys. Puro
Then why
yung
did you send it
kinatan.
there?
I did not do that on purpose, Mahal. Because Sarah sent me already the stuffs last time to our new
Mahal, I
house.
told you to delete the old addresses. Apparently you did not do that.
They're there, Mahal.
Nice, then you can get it. Your best friend is not there. Unless they still park in front of the door of the neighbors.
Sige na nga. Tingin ko na lang ito. Ha? You're not getting any massage to... No massage, no cooking. I'm not cooking for you. Wala, nagra. I can do it, ha? I can do it, ha? Ha?
Mahal. Mahal, I was already cooking myself. And I never get a massage anymore. So that's fine.
Mahal is super, nice guy, Mahal. He is the guy. Super nice guy and with all the smiling
Oh, okay.
face.
That's fine.
You're not jealous? He was
No.
smiling.
Did you see one of the olive trees got super big and the other one is super small?
Yeah. They have a nice house inside, Mahal. Makita mo man sa labas.
And then they put more.
Grabe ang smile niya ba? Parang kakita siya ng Diyosa. You know, I think the smile is very different ba? It's like he saw a very pretty lady.
Yeah, of course you are a pretty lady.
Like super ganyan. Nawala gud ang ko. Ang kaba ko. Mabait
No,
talaga
I
din
think
sila.
you know what I think? I think they were betting
Betting what?
on if and when you are going to get it. And
Yeah.
I think he just won. That's why he's smiling.
Yeah. Nagpustaan daw siguro sila. Nakuha ko na, guys. Mga damit po to lahat ni Nathan, no? Mga pang Pinas po niya. You know what he said? Oh, I guess you're getting the package. I said, yes, sorry, I forgot to change the address.
Again.
And then he said, that's fine, no problem. Then I can just, Mahal, send it there again.
Delete the old address.
I will, Mahal. I already did, don't worry. Don't worry, Mahal, I already did.
No,
Happy
that's
now.
what you said last time.
Already sent me lagi in the...
No, you did not delete the old address.
But you love me so
Of course
much.
I love you
So much.
so much.
That you will get the package but you did not.
I brought you there.
Now I'm getting high blood.
You know,
because of
next time, Mahal, I won't bring you there. You go by train, in my bus. Huh? I love
Thank you
too.
that I did not see my best friend. Kaya hindi ako masaya sa bahay na yan dati, guys, dahil doon sa kapitbahay po namin na parang na-trauma ako sa kanya. Pag makita ko siya parang manginig ako. Hindi, basta
Mahal,
parang
it's
sa
okay. If
pakiramdam
I
ba.
saw your best friend there, I would have driven straight into him.
Buang.
You know, if he's working on the sidewalk.
Yung kalaban namin ba, nakapitbahay dyan dati, kamusta na kaya ang parking nila? I wonder how are they parking there, Mahal ba, if they're still doing that.
I probably have more problems now because I think that the people who are living in our house, in our old house now, they have 2 cars.
Yeah, I think so too. Kasi yan po talaga ang problema dyan, no? Kadaming galit sa kanila, pati yung ano po, yung direct na mga neighbors namin. Hindi din sila gusto, yung isang ano namin, ewan kung nandyan pa yung dalawang matanda na gusto na ding umalis dahil po sa kanila. What? Hindi normal, tingnan nyo, dumaan kadami-daming ibon. Ay, palagi talaga ako. Wait, do you know that this is means that you're lucky, mahal?
Yeah.
Color green pala yung ano nila, guys.
Color green.
Dumaan ba kadami-daming ibon, tapos bilang plop, buti na lang hindi sa buhok ko. Nakaligo ko lang today. O din, nabuksan na natin yan. Wow, kaganda naman pala ng nabili ng Bebe Love. May dahil siya sa loob. Buksan natin to. Tapos ilagay mo ang ulo. Yan, may ulo siya, oh. Wow, kay. Hala, kaganda naman ng doll ni Nathan. Ipakita mo sa kanila. Ay, magdidi pala yan siya. Ay! Diaper for the baby. Look, diaper. Ilagay mo diaper niya. Dinner ng aking mag-ama. Burrito. Tapos meron po tayong homemade. Alala. Burrito. Ayun na. Homemade guacamole. Gawa po yan ni Siyard. Galing po siya dito kahapon. Dito sila nag-dinner. At sila po ang nagluto ni Daniel kahapon.
Paborito.
Gawa po yan nila, no? But we're missing something. We forgot. We don't have the sour cream anymore. Yeah, wait lang. Kay hot pa yan, ha? Tulungan ka ni Mama, okay?
Want a branch, you're finished.
Wow. Can I have a bite? If that's nice. Make a bite daw, Papa.
Cheese and guacamole.
Nathan bite.
Oh.
Sarap. Masarap ang luto ni Siyard, Nathan. Ni Uncle Siyard, masarap.
I think, Mahal, that I will be cooking more.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot. It's my husband who made this.
Making burritos.
It's my husband who made this, guys. But this one, Siyard made this. The guacamole.
Because he likes it.
May natira
That's why
pa
I'm
kasi.
not cooking a lot anymore. Because when I cook, he doesn't want to eat. But
Yeah.
this he likes.
Yeah. Because you're cooking potatoes, man, good. And your son doesn't like potatoes.
How can he not like potatoes? He's Dutch.
Yeah, but he's also Filipino, mahal. He likes rice more. Kain ng chicken, ha? At saka yung mga gulay dyan. Nathan, sabihin mo sa kanila anong mga pinagbili natin, be. Ipakita mo sa kanila mga sabon. This one is gel. Ito ano to? Ito ano to? Tingnan nyo, alam niyo to. Ano to? Alam niya yan, guys. Tinuruan ko na yan siya.
Baso.
Very good. Ano to?
Baso.
Very good. Hindi, basok. Baso. Ito, ano to?
Kutsara.
Very good. Ito, ano to?
Gato.
Plato.
Bato.
Hindi kato, plato. Ito, ano to? Tinuturuan ko yun siya ng mga Tagalog ngayon.
Baso.
Ang laman, ano ang laman?
Tubig.
Very good. Tinuturuan ko yan siya. Pinggan. Ito, pinggan din ito. Pwede pinggan, pwede plato. Okay? Do you wanna see everyone? Ang mga na-order ko po para kay Nathan. Mga t-shirt ko siya. Ayan, t-shirt. Alam niyo magkano to? 4 euros or 3 euros. Oh, di ba? Malalaki yan. At ito, mga ano ngayon, yung mga pang hip-hop na mga damit. Hip-hop na rin po natin si Nathan. At ito naman, yung mga pantalon na in-order ko po para sa kanya. Sabi ko talaga ka-proud sa sarili ko. Ano na tayo ngayon? Today is, anong date ngayon? Ewan saan ang cellphone ko. Parang, what date is today, mahal? Do you know what? Sando. 10. Oh, 10 na. Wala pa rin akong na-order. Last year pa to na order, guys. Wala talaga kahit isa. Oh, promise. Bago na talaga si Inday Garnet, guys. Ay, hindi to pwede sa Pinas. Parang ibalik ko to. Pag makapunta ako ng Zara, masyado po siyang malaki. Very wide po siya. Tapos short. Hindi to bagay kay Nathan, guys. Ibalik po natin to. Pag makabalik po ako sa ano no, sa Kroningen. Gabi, magkano to bili ko? 15 euros to dito. Tapos ilagay ko dyan ang pagbili ko. Tingnan nyo. Ayan oh, para makita po talaga ninyo magkano siya. You see that everyone or not? Oh, di ba? 15 euros po siya dyan. At ito, mura lang din to. Nabili ko mga pantalon. I love it. Yan ang mga pinagbibili ko sa kanya. Yung mga malaki nga din po sa baba. Yung very ano ba? Very comfy. Wow! Whatever happened to the values of humanity? Hindi ko na lang to ibalik, guys, ang t-shirt. Maganda siya. Ganyan ang mga uso ngayon, no? Wow! Bakit ano kami? Whatever happens to the... Mag-rap ka. Yo, yo, yo. Tapos magandang sapatos. Dali, yan ang mga uso ngayon. Ganyan ang mga suot ni Kuya Derich. Ganyan ang mga pormahan. At saka ni Kuya JC. Whatever happened to the values of humanity? Whatever happened to the values of humanity? Ado yan na. Kantahan mo kami. Kantahan mo kami. Mag-rap ka. Stupid love. Nang main love ako sila, kung pag-ibig mo ay tunay. Pero hindi nagtagalobas din ang tunay mong kulay. Ay, yung kilay mapagbatas, lagi nabimigtas. Tapos magbili tayo ng bagong shoes at saka ng bagong kalo mo, okay? Yung maganda na kalo, ha? Tsaka maganda na shoes. Okay? Mag-order mo na si mama. O, di, sayawan mo kami. Ikembot mo. Ikembot-kembot mo. Pakimbotin natin to kay makimbot-kimbot pa. Pag medyo malaki na to, hindi na to magkimbot, guys. Doon ka. Kaya nagbili ka ba yung unicorn? Dali, baby love. Iba na naman ang itry mo. Ito na namang isa. Ito, gusto mo ito itry or hindi na?
Yes.
Yes? Gusto niya din na itry ang isang ano, guys. Nang main love ako sa iyo, kung pag-ibig mo ay tunay, pero hindi nagtagalubas silang kuwili magkilay. Ipakita mo sa kanila, sabihin mo, OTD, guys.
OTD.
Yung ano, yung bahay kubo mo, yung gawa mo na kanta.
Bahay kubo, balik ka tula.
Oh, yung totoong bahay kubo na naman, dali.
Bahay kubo, balik ka tula.
Hindi yan! Nagustuhan ko masyado ang pantalon niya ba? Bet ko yung mga ganyan mo na ano. Tapos magsombrero, tapos maganda ang sapatos. Naku! Kapugi! Magka-crush na talaga si Mila niyan sa'yo. Magka-crush si Mila. Wala man. Si Mila, iba din ang... Kung ang anak ko, unicorn ang gusto. Si Mila, yung blue na ano, na Power Rangers. Doon ka banda kay para makita nila talagang OTD. Tapos talikod ka, talikod. Talikod. Turn around. Very good. Ipakita mo yung likod mo. Wow! Wow! Kaganda. I love it! Gusto ko po ito siya bilhan ng Samba na Adidas. Kasi bintay ko na mag-sale po sila. Sa sombrero naman, may mga nakita na po ako marami sa Zalando. Anong color ang ano na gusto mo na sombrero?
It's green.
Green? Alam niya din sa akin lagay. So, very good. Dali na lang kami. Very good. Ano mo to? Saan ilagay to? Lagay mo to sa loob. Very good. Sabi ko, bari niya na yung damit kay marumihan, kay pang Pilipinas at Japan baya yun. Hinubad niya din. Yan, bigyan kay Papa. Kay Papa. Bigyan kay Papa. No more na. Thank you.
Yay! Wala.
Oh! He wants to vlog, mahal.
Ay! Hi. Hi. Hi.
Puro ka lang. Tama na, tama na, tama na. Ah, you are ano ha? Ano nga yung bumawi, guys? You are doing this ha because you had a conscience ha?
Take it. I'm not doing it anymore.
Mahal, stop doing this to me.
If that's what you think, then I'm not doing it.
Just for the vlog. You have conscience ha? Joke, joke, joke. Joke, 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 mahal. Hey, you have ano ha? I love you. Oh, did I say anything? Gawa kami ng snack niya, guys. What is it, Nathan? Paborito ni Nathan.
Flower can.
Yes, blue cheese. And the pomelo. Thank you, Papa. Tapos ang cracker. Alam nyo? Wala masyadong bata na ano, gusto tong blue cheese. Pero si Nathan, paborito niya masyado to, guys. Pakitaan mo sila. You see that, guys? Wow. Favorite. Pwede magpahinga ba? Hindi tayo maubusan. Pinasok niya lahat sa bibig niya. Inom ng water.
Kasi?
Kisha? Jesus, kasaya naman. Inom ng water, dali. Inom ng tubig. Ito, Nathan, ano to? Kutsilyo.
Cuchillo.
Kutsilyo.
Cuchillo.
Very good. Ito, ano to?
Lasso.
Very good. Ito, ano to?
Baso.
Tapos ngayon, ang tinira na naman namin, ang pomelo. Masarap siya, in fairness, pero syempre iba pa rin yung pomelo. Yung sarap ng pomelo natin. Dito kasi buhaghag. Magtanggal-tanggal nga siya. Ang pomelo nila. Matamis naman siya. In fairness. Bilyan ako? Gusto mo pa?
Gusto kong kape.
Gusto kong kape. Nagdanay-tatay na.
Nanay, tatay, kuko kong kina. Ate, kuya, kuko kong kape.
Very good.
Kuko ko. Mapay, ate. Mapay, ate, kuya.
Naman na. Puntahan natin ang mister ko, guys. Kay ano, na-stuck daw siya. Where are you? Where is Papa, Nathan?
Here.
Where is Papa? Hala! You cannot go out?
You be careful with that. There's a lot of stuff there that he should not be touching.
Papa, kanit! Out!
I need to go inside to mark where this one needs to go. But then the thing I have is not good in marking. I need to find a different mark.
So, you cannot go out. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Malapit na po masyado niya itong matapos ang kanyang arcade. May butasan pa daw siya. Somewhere there. Tapos, i-paint niya. Tapos na ang arcade. And look at that. Hindi ko yan kilala. Look at that, everyone.
Nee, mama moet even helpen.
How can I help you?
Help you?
Yeah, it would be very nice if you could give me a different marker. I think I can hold here.
Alis ka dyan, Nathan. Kaya maglabas si Papa. Oo.
Ow, 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 ow.
I thought I need to destroy the...
Oh, you're not destroying the arcade?
Yeah?
hoot. Si Nathan ba kanina pa siya, pwede ba kitang tulungan? Matulungan ba kita? Tapos ngayon sabi niya pa, good? Are you good, Papa? Malapit na yan, guys. Like how many days, Mahal, do you think?
What?
Until this is finished.
Well, it depends on how many layers of paint it needs.
Hmm?
because those all need to dry.
What color will you paint there? Also black? Kamustahin natin tong dryer dito guys, na ano na ito. Dito mga tupiinin, mga piluinin natin, oh.
What is that?
That's holes what you are talking about? That you still need to...
but this is not, you know, like this is not a perfect measurement. That's the problem.
Gawa yan ng mister ko guys. Can you believe that? Siya lang din yan. Yan. Nagbutas-butas niyan. Siya yan lahat. He made this thing by scratch, in scratch, on scratch, whatever it is.
You remember that you gave me wood for this for my birthday?
Yeah.
Long time ago.
Yeah, long time ago, like 3 years ago.
More than 3 years ago.
So this one, mahal, the wood I bought?
Yeah.
Ay! So this is my birthday gift for you. The wood.
The wood, yeah.
Oh, mingi lang siya ng pera. Kaya bili niya daw ng para sa ano, ng kahoy para sa arcade. Ito pala yun, guys. Wow! So this is from me, mahal.
Well, the wood is from you.
That's all?
That's all.
Oh. Guys, patulugin ko na tong anak ko, guys. Bukas naman tayo magbuang-buang. Bukas mag-vlog na naman po ako, no? Nakadalawang vlog na naman ako today ba? Halika na. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. Abangan kami bukas kung hindi absent. See you tomorrow. We love you. Bye!
Thank you for watching. Salamat. Bye.
Busy siya. Tingnan niyo. Show them what you're doing, my love.
Drilling a hole.
With a drill.
Through 2 holes.
Ay na, halika na.